Help me. Help me.
Zara moved into her new apartment, unaware of what's waiting for her.
Just one thing. Don't disturb the tenant in apartment 307.
Why? Is he grumpy?
He keeps to himself.
The first week was uneventful. The building was strangely quiet. Zara rarely saw any neighbors. Every morning she left for work, and every evening she returned to silence. Then, on a rainy Tuesday night, she heard it. A voice.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
The next morning, Zara couldn't stop thinking about the voice. So she called Michael.
Hey, Zara. To what do I owe this pleasure?
Michael, who lives in apartment 307?
No one lives there.
The next morning, Zara knocked on apartment 307. But after no answer, curiosity got the better of her. She stepped closer and looked inside. But she only saw darkness. Later that day, she noticed a woman in the hallway.
Excuse me. Do you know who lives in apartment 307? You heard something, didn't you? What do you mean?
The woman hurried away, but Zara couldn't forget what she'd said. That night, sleep escaped her, and at 2:17 a.m., the whisper returned.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
This time, Zara needed proof, so she started recording on her phone. The whisper continued. But when she listened to it, her blood ran cold, because there was no whisper, only static. Now she was obsessed. Every evening she listened through the wall. Every night at 2:17, the voice returned. And every morning, the evidence vanished. Finally, Zara called the police. 2 officers arrived and knocked on apartment 307, but no answer. After several attempts, they contacted the landlord. Reluctantly, he unlocked the door. The apartment was empty, completely empty. No sign anyone had lived there for years.
That's impossible.
You sure you've been hearing something?
She didn't answer, because in the far corner of the room, she noticed something strange. The officers questioned Michael, routine questions, but Zara wasn't listening. Something in the far corner had caught her attention. She slowly walked toward it. She knelt down and started brushing away the years of dust. Then, the dust revealed a message. The officers saw an empty apartment, but Zara saw her fate.